Bag gassing. The bacterial, virucidal and fungicidal properties of ozone can be ideally used to treat extremities. Handling is extremely simple. Only ozone-resistant plastic bags, 2 bag adapters, 2 Humares extensions and a lockable protective filter are required. To connect the hose, first prepare the plastic bag with a bag adapter for the ozone inlet and another one for the suction. Then clean the extremity from soap residues and moisten with a spray diffuser. Screw a bag adapter to a Humares extension. Connect a second bag adapter diagonally on the plastic bag. To be sure, push through the holes on the 2 bag adapters. Now slide the bag over the extremity and fix gently using a tourniquet. Then connect a hose to the vacuum connection on the Humares and press the vacuum button. The bag is then sucked free of air. By pressing the button again, the vacuum is switched off. Select the gassing time and ozone concentration using the corresponding rotary switches. You start the bag gassing by pressing the lockable filter into the opened oxygen sampling valve. The oxygen generator then passes the set concentration of ozone into the plastic bag. Since the bag is gas-tight, there is no annoyance caused by odors. The second hose connected to the vacuum connection guarantees that an overpressure does not occur. The residual ozone is immediately destroyed in the catalytic converter and discharged free of odors into the atmosphere. The advantages of this method: fresh ozone is continuously passed over the extremity, and a gassing time of 4 to 6 minutes is completely sufficient. The ozone generator automatically switches to standby mode at the end of the gassing time. By pressing the vacuum button, you can activate the suction and the residual ozone is sucked out free of odors. Open wounds can be ideally treated using suction bell gassing. In this application, a slight underpressure is established over the open wound and ozone gas passed over the wound via second hose. The vacuum button can be used to individually set the suction interval and thus the underpressure. In our case, we're using a Humares Y hose. One branch is connected to the suction bell, the other to a 3-way valve. The long end of the branch is fitted with a filter and connected to the vacuum connection. It is then only necessary to set the ozone concentration and establish a connection to the Humares sampling valve using a lockable filter. The ozone generator passes the produced ozone into the suction bell. You can control the underpressure by switching the vacuum button on and off. To ensure that the underpressure in the suction bell does not become too large, the 3-way valve can be set such that the suction does not overstress the patient.